Hey guys, Grease Monkey 34 here. Coming to show you guys on my 2002 Chrysler 300M. This is with the 3.5 liter 24 valve high output motor. So we're going to be changing the thermostat today, and to go through the process, it's not going to be around here. Normally a thermostat is around here or on the side of motors, but Dodge kind of didn't do that, so you gotta kind of look around for it. But it is on the driver's side under the alternator. So we got our new parts over here. We got a new thermostat, and we got our new gasket because you're gonna rip the gasket probably. Step one, look like we take out these two bolts to hold the vacuum on. We could take this and move it out of the way. This cable, go to the alternator, unplug that, and remove your positive cable, but make sure you wrap it with tape when you take it out or it'll spark. And this big heavy line number B, got a B on it, that go to number 2 box, so we just hook that and take that out as well. Okay guys, now you got this out of here. You got the wiring on it, it's unplugged. It just went here. You get pulling these little tabs out and then it pops out, and most of it. And then to get the reservoir out, there's one bolt down here. I already took it out, and we give it a twist to the left and then pull, and then you can just shed it back into there. Get it out of the way. Okay guys, now there's a belt tensioner right there, as you can see. Now on the front of that belt tensioner there's a nut. You want to take a 15mm wrench, put it on and undo it, but don't undo it all the way, just make it loose. And then under there, somewhere about where that bolt is, on the back side, you won't be able to see it, but you can feel it, is a tensioner bolt. It's a 13mm ratchet and an extension with the 13mm socket. And you put it underneath the alternator, find that bolt, and loosen it off, and that's how you get your belt to be loose. Well guys, on this model of car, you can't get that bolt out, and you can't flip it all the way up because it hits on here. It hits right here, so this whole thing is way too much in, so you can't get to anything. So I decided, super simple, to take this out anyways. There's 2 1/4-inch bolts on each side, a 13mm right there, a 13mm right, yeah, and then 2 10s. Take that out and undo this, the shroud, the support member out. Now I got that bolt out of here, so now I need to remove the alternator. Now everything is moved out of the way. You can see in there is the thermostat housing. So the 2 10mm bolts, and I gotta undo that hose. This is gonna be a tough cookie, alright. So make sure you get a drain pan and put under. Okay guys, got the hose off. Got a drain in under below, and now the 2 10mm bolts on the top there and on the bottom. Well guys, I got the old one out. Here's the new one. So mostly gonna throw it back together and see how it goes. I got a new. I got a real gasket over there. Don't try to use silicone. Silicone is not a good fix for a sealant. But now I'm gonna put this back together and do everything in reverse. Mostly. Okay guys, all back together. Got all the lines back on, all the bolts in, all the belts are tight. Just gotta add some fluid and start her up. Well guys, that's how you replace the thermostat on a 2002 Chrysler 300M. A little bit time consuming, it took about 2 hours and a half, but it's pretty much done. So see you guys in the next one. Remember, if you like and subscribe, it helps the channel out. So Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.